Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Hey, this is all about the documentary.
Foxy! Are you videoing different girls?
Okay, we're done. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Bon appetit. Go dogs. Oh no, it's been vandalized.
Oh no.
I need to get a Sharpie and fix that.
Shine your light up there again.
Jeez. Oh no. I would like to send a message to Mike Show. I'm gonna fix this for him. Next time we come. Let's go Ducks. Let's go Vandals. Let's go Ducks. Let's go Vandals.
Okay, yeah, we knew there'd be a problem. Hello, Pinky.
Well, there's another one right here. There's cats running all over. Let's go with them. Yeah, let's go with them. How many you want? How many cats are there?
No. We don't want to see any more cats.
Oh, I guess we've already learned about the feeling?
Donna, what do you
Hi, do you work here?
I love it.
Oh, goodness. Oh, excuse me.
Okay, somebody needs to get cut off.
Luckily we're not driving anymore tonight because that would all stop right now.
Okay. I'm so sorry. This is, That's okay. We're coming back in the morning because you got to pick what you want for lunch.
Do you want a beer?
We've already talked about
No, I'm good.
Okay, so this is our daughter Tegan.
Well, I don't say no.
And this is, what was your first name?
Would you like the Heineken?
Okay, Tegan.
Okay, so we've already talked about the flower
This
part.
is Riley. We got Kendall.
Now we're going to talk about
We got the whole
amazing. Like, she is so much. Okay, so let's talk more about.
Oh, okay. We're learning how to do roti. Okay, you know what? You have too many. That's the thing. Oh, how many you want? And I'm like, okay. I went on vacation. I just got my nipples. And they're like, oh, did that hurt? What did you do? Not really. I went to, every time I go away, I do something. I went to where I got a tattoo. I go away again, I get another tattoo. She went on vacation. Yeah, I went on vacation for a week and I came back with my nipples faded.
See, this is the
Did that not hurt? That had to.
I think when they did one, it was like, ow. Then when the lady said, she's like, you have to, the next one, I don't want to make any noise because anything don't push me. And I was wondering why she told me that because she already did this one and this one was just like, ouch. But then she came here like, oh, whoa, okay, that's what she meant. But after all,
Now we know that. Why didn't we come here for dinner?
you're like, I got it.
next
After
step,
all
always
the
that next
fears
step.
that I have.
Is it so sensitive?
No,
No,
I think it's
the
kind of
office on
better
the
than
left.
this.
I
This
know
I
what
feel
it
like
is.
going crazy. And you take your hand, you cover it like a turtle bath, and you push it in, and you
Turtle
push it
bath,
in.
I love it.
And you take your thumb and you push it in there and you use here to support it. And then you close it up on the top and you give it a tight.
So, last day of our, well, I guess second to last day of the BVI vacation. And we are in Soper's Hole, crossed over this morning, late morning, because of the little cooking lesson that the ladies took from Pinky over on Jost Van Dyke in Great Harbour. Again, Jost Van Dyke, the quintessential BVI experience. The people are so nice. They're just so welcoming, and it's just so awesome to be back and see things turning around like they are. We missed some things, but it's great to make new friends, and we made a lot of them. Apologies to Jimmy Buffett, but everybody's got a cousin on Jost Van Dyke. The skipper of my sister's monohull Kidon, his cousins Kenroy, who brought us out beef and lentil empanadas today from his mom, who is, let's see, her sister is Pinky's mom. They're from Grenada. I probably messed that up, but again, everybody knows everybody on Yoast, and man, they're so welcoming. It's such a cool place. It is the part of the BVI that I truly remember, and I feel like it hasn't changed that much. But you know, it's time to hit the major issue head on. And you know, I'm not going to pull any punches. It's really the bottom line is, where's the best painkiller in the BVI? And I will acknowledge at the beginning we probably only had about 24 painkillers this week, so it's not a representative sample. That's totally true that there are a lot of painkillers consumed among the islands. And I'm old school. I mean, I remember the original painkillers, and they always had Pusser's rum. I thought that was the signature drink for Pusser's rum. I think there's been some sort of clashes that have happened because Soggy doesn't serve Pussers in their painkiller, and they say they invented the painkiller. Man, we had a really good painkiller at Poor Man's Bar on the Baths. She used Brugal rum. Never heard of it. Really good. But, oh, and there was another painkiller at the Moorings base. I didn't get to have it. Donna said it was like the Halley's Comet of painkillers. The bartender makes it completely from scratch, which painkillers are basically coconut milk, Coco Lopez, pineapple juice, orange juice, and rum, dark rum, with a little bit of grate of nutmeg over it. I didn't have that one, so I'm perhaps biased, but here we are in Soper's Hole today, and I would have to say that hands down the winner for me is Pusser's Resorts Painkiller. The best. The best. Again, acknowledging bias with Pusser's rum as the original rum and a painkiller. But tomorrow we turn the Powercat in, and I'm gonna miss it. I'm still conflicted. It's so nice to travel in. It moves. I mean, we came from Great Harbour and Jost over here to Soper, and like Pinky said, she goes, that's like crossing the street, a wet street. We're having a great time, and we're all saying we can't believe it's almost over. But what a great place to spend it in. Soper's Hole last night.